Number 12, exercise 6.5. Two poles of height 6 meter and 11 meter stand on a plain ground. If the distance between the feet of poles is 12 meter, find the distance between their tops. So see, AB and CD, two poles are standing on a ground. Distance between their feet is 12 meter. Okay, so we have to find the distance between their tops, means we have to find AC. These are vertical poles, so they are perpendicular on the ground. AB and CD are perpendicular on BD. Okay, so we can see that distance between C and E, CE is also 12 meter. Okay, now we have to find AC. So we will consider triangle ACE. The total height AB is given 11, but up to here it is given BE is given 6 meter. So 11 minus 6, this height AE will get 5. So this side is known, this side is known. We can easily find AC by using Pythagoras theorem. So first of all, write whatever is given. CD and AB are two poles. Distance between their feet means, what is the distance? BD is 12 meter. So BD is equals to 12 meter. BD is equals to CE because these are the vertical poles. So BD is equals to CE. And to find distance between their tops means we have to find AC. Now see how can we find this. See, in triangle AB, total AB is equals to 11 meter. Now AE is equals to AB minus BE. So AB is 11, BE and CD are equal, so this is 6 meter. So from here we'll get AE is equals to 5 meter. Now in triangle ACE, AC square is equals to CE square plus AE square by Pythagoras theorem. So CE is 6, CE is 12 square, AE is 5 square. This is 144 plus 25 is equals to 169. AC square is equals to 169. So we can say that AC is equals to 13 meters. Means the what is your answer now? So distance between the tops of poles, is 13 meter. 14. The perpendicular from A on side BC of a triangle ABC intersects BC at D such that DB is equals to 3CD. Prove that 2AB square is equals to 2AC square plus BC square. You can see this figure, triangle ABC in which AD is perpendicular. So given a triangle ABC such that AD is perpendicular on BC and DB, this DB is equals to 3CD. To prove 2AB square is equals to 2AC square, plus BC square. So first of all we'll start with whatever is given. So DB is equals to 3CD. Okay, so we can write now BC is equals to, this BC is equals to CD plus BD. So BC is equals to CD plus, in place of BD we can write 3CD from here. So BC is equals to 4CD and BC 1/4 BC is equals to CD. This is our first equation. Okay, now come to triangle ADB. Now in triangle ADB, here is your triangle ADB. So in this triangle ADB, AB square, because in proof we need AB square, so we'll find out value of AB square using Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equals to, hypotenuse square is equals to altitude square plus base square. AD square plus BD square. Now in place of BD, what can you write? In place of BD we can write 3 in place of BD we can write 3CD square, and CD we know is, CD from here we know is 1/4 BC. So in next step we will write, we'll put the value of CD, that is 1/4 BC. So whole square. Now solve it. AB square is equals to 9/16 BC square. Okay, so this is your again equation number 2. Now we want AC square also. So AC square from where we can get? We can get it from triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, again by Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equals to AD square plus CD square. Okay, now see, AD square we can't do anything for this, we cannot put any value, but for CD again we can put 1/4 BC. Now square of this, AD square plus 1/16 BC square. This is our equation 3. Okay, now we have to subtract equation 3 from equation 2. So subtract equation 2 from 3. So we'll get AC square minus AB square is equals to AD square plus 1/16 BC square minus AD square plus 9/16 BC square. So here, from here we'll get AD square plus 1/16 BC square minus AD square minus 9/16 BC square. Let's see whatever we are getting. AD square got cancelled. So AC square minus AB square is equals to 1/16 BC square minus 9/16 BC square. Let's solve it. We will get AC square minus AB square is equals to 16 LCM BC square minus 9 BC square. So we will get 16 AC square minus AB square is equals to minus 8 BC square. Okay, now this is divisible. A16 is divisible by 8. So here we'll get 2ac square minus 2ab square is equals to minus bc square. Now what is required? 2ab square is equals to 2ac square. So first of all we'll transpose this ab square to this side and bc square to this side. So here we'll get 2ac square plus bc square is equals to 2ab square. That is what we have to prove. So hence proof.